Welcome back to Smart English Talk, the place where English grammar becomes fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Emma, I feel like we've mastered the past, we've nailed the simple future. What's left?
Well, we need to get specific about the future, Jack. Today, we're learning how to talk about what you will be doing in the future, right at a specific moment in time.
The future continuous tense. This is when we stop talking about simple plans and start painting a detailed picture of our future lives.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to tell people exactly what you'll be doing this time next year, next week, or even 5 minutes from now. It's a very common and very elegant sense.
It had so much detail. So stick around, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us keep making English learning simple and fun for you.
Right. Let's figure out what we will be doing. Let's start with the clearest definition. The future continuous tense is used to describe an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future.
So it's not a single quick action. It's something that starts before that specific time and continues after it.
Think of it this way. If a past continuous action was happening yesterday, a future continuous action will be happening tomorrow.
The key is the specific time marker. If you don't use the specific time, you should probably just use the simple future. I'll call you. Simple future. Quick action. This time tomorrow, I'll be flying to London. Future continuous. Action in progress.
Now, the structure is a mouthful, but it never changes, which makes it easy to remember. It is subject plus will be plus verb ing.
That's 3 parts. Say it with us. Will be plus VING.
Let's try some examples. Use your natural short form. I'll be working. She'll be studying. They'll be traveling.
See? No changes for he, she, or it. Just will be plus the ing form of your action.
When do we absolutely need this fantastic tense? We have 3 main uses.
Use case number 1. To talk about an action in progress in the future. This is the core use, emphasizing duration around a point in time.
Example. Don't call me at 7 p.m. because I'll be watching my favorite show. The watching starts before 7 and finishes after 7.
Example. In 2030, many of us will be commuting by drone. Hopefully.
Use case number 2 is very subtle and very polite. To ask about future plans or arrangements in a less demanding way. It's softer than the simple future. Example. Instead of asking, will you come to the party, which sounds like an invitation, you can ask, will you be joining us for dinner? It implies the arrangement is already set, and you're just checking if they'll be part of the ongoing activity.
Ooh, I love that one. Use case number 3. To imagine or guess what someone will be doing at a certain moment. Example. Right now, next week, my friend will be lying on the beach drinking a coconut. I'm imagining her continuous activity.
Or, he's been working all day. When we arrive home, he'll be sleeping. We are guessing his state of being in the future.
Time to put a negative spin on our future progress. For negatives, we put not after will.
So, will not be the-ing, and the contraction, which you must use for natural speech, is won't be.
Try these with us. I won't be working tomorrow. I have the day off.
They won't be coming to the meeting. They are still traveling.
Now for the questions. We only move one word. Will goes to the front of the sentence. The rest stays together.
For yes/no questions, will you be studying tonight? Will she be coming with us on the trip?
And for WH questions, the WH word starts and then will. What will you be doing tomorrow morning? Who will be using the computer later? The structure stays the same even with who.
Remember to keep that be and the ing together after the subject. Let's put this into a realistic chat about weekend plans. What will you be doing this Saturday?
This Saturday, I'll be shopping for a new laptop at the electronics store around noon. That's my big mission.
Perfect. So if I call you at 11:30, you'll probably still be driving there. And if I call you at 12:30, you'll be comparing models.
Exactly. And what about you?
On Sunday afternoon, I'll be meeting my friends at the new cafe downtown. We'll be trying their famous matcha latte. So don't text me between 2 and 4 p.m.
See how natural that sounds. Every action is an ongoing event at a specific future moment.
Practice time. Emma gives the prompt. I give the future continuous answer using will be.
Let's go. Prompt 1. You study at this time tomorrow.
I'll be studying at this time tomorrow.
2. They wait for the plane in an hour.
They'll be waiting for the plane in an hour.
3. A negative one. I not relax until the deadline.
I won't be relaxing until the deadline.
A very relatable feeling. Fantastic. Now, a quick recap on the difference between future continuous, FC, and future simple, FS.
Future simple, will plus V1, focuses on a single action, fact, or decision. Example, FS, I'll call you tonight. One moment, the call.
Future continuous, will be plus VING, focuses on an action in progress over a period of time. Example, FC, I'll be calling you at 9 p.m. The action is in progress. Maybe we'll be chatting for an hour.
Last few tips on avoiding common mistakes. Mistake number 1, the most common. Forgetting be. Incorrect, I'll working tomorrow. Correct, I'll be working tomorrow.
Mistake number 2, forgetting the ing at the end of the verb. Incorrect, she will be study for her test. Correct, she will be studying for her test.
And remember those helpful time expressions that signal this tense. Tomorrow, next week, this time next year, at 8 p.m., in the evening, and later today.
You've done wonderfully. The future continuous is a beautiful, descriptive tense that really upgrades your English storytelling.
Now for your final fun task. Write in the comments below, what will you be doing this weekend? Practice your future continuous sentences.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart English Talk, where we make English learning simple and fun.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.